Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to look at the stock Hyliion or its parent company SHLL. This stock is now added to the tracker in the middle of August. Since then the stock is now almost doubled in price. So this is a weekly update. I am doing this weekly update for last few weeks now. So we will look at the chart and what went on last week, and we will see whether this stock is still a buy or a sell or a hold at this price level. So my objective of this video is to give you as much as actionable information as possible in a short span of time. So let's get started. And before we move on, this is our website. Please check it out when you get a chance. All the informations are now recorded out there, so you can refer it whenever you want. And please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I love to see you as a subscriber. I'll be doing videos on this stock and many stock in coming days and weeks. Okay, as always, now we will start with the website tracker. This stock is now added to the tracker back in 818 when it was trading around $26.60, and as of today, it's close to almost like $47.78 and posting 8%, 80% gain. It was almost 100 during middle of the week, but it gave up some gains, so it come back to 80. So the minimum entry price was 26.60 and the maximum entry price was 27, and the stop loss was around 24.47, which was never in danger because the stock never closed below that price level. But since then, now this stock is not really offer any secondary entry point. It directly now doubled. So let's look at the chart and see whether the stock is offering any secondary entry point at this price level, or now we can look at a couple of calls or put depending upon the situation. So let's look at the chart. So you guys are looking at the weekly setting for the ticker symbol SHLL. It is added to the tracker when it is cleared this resistance line around $26. And after that, this stock is now almost doubled, and it went up. It didn't give me any offer entry point, secondary entry point at the time, so it's almost doubled. So it came down today, this week. So I would say, as of now, this stock is a hold. If you happen to have this stock in your portfolio, just keep it tight and do not do any additional buy. Or if you want to sell and take profit, that's fine, but do not buy anything now additional because it might consolidate like this. So I would like to know the stock now consolidate for a couple more weeks, and probably it may have a very quick run after that. So as of now, this stock is not a buy. If you want to hold it, that's fine. Or if you want to do it take a profit, that is fine too. And the calls are also really expensive at the time. So let's wait for the calls to come down a little bit, and probably you can look at some November call. I don't recommend any more October calls. So we can look at the November calls, but for the November calls, this really started heating up. So you really want to know things to come down a little bit, and probably this calls maybe like the 50 or 55 or 45 calls maybe looked attractive if the stocks come down a little bit down here. So we may have a reasonable price target at the time. So let's wait for the stock consolidate a little bit more, then we can see whether the stock is now offering a secondary entry point at that level or not. So as of now, I won't touch the stock, and just happen to have in your portfolio, just hang tight. If you want to take profit, that's fine too, but do not touch any new buy. So again, now I'm looking at weekly settings for Shell. I like the weekly settings because it's eliminate a lot of daily noise and give you some kind of clear trend for anywhere between 3 weeks to 6 months or so. So it's still well extended over from its 10-week moving average. So probably it may not come down to test this level. This might reach around 40 or so. So I expect this stock consolidate. At least it should consolidate for next few weeks, and see whether this stock is going to offer us any secondary entry point at that time level or not. So I will put the tracker link in the description section of the video, so you can refer it whenever you want, and that will get updated at the end of the day with the stock closing price, so we can now measure the performance in day in day out. So I said in the beginning of the video, my objective of the video is to give you not only some information, but we want to put the information on work, and we want to track it day in day out and see how things perform. So that's how it's added to the tracker back here. We kept on now updating it at the end of the day. So as of now, the stock was almost doubled, then came down. So let's see how things plays out in coming weeks. Okay guys, thank you for watching this quick video. Please check out the website. You can find tons of stocks out there. Pretty much all the information are tracked there. And please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not now forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, have a great weekend.